Hey guys, welcome back to StarMax Energy. This is Anya. Are you looking for hybrid battery for Toyota Prius EV car? Yes, we have good solution for you. Here it is. This one is the Sunwood brand, 3.74, 6.2 ampere hour lithium-ion cell. The voltage range of this cell is 2.75 to 4.2 voltage. It is the normal voltage. This is a very tiny small cell. The thickness of the cell, the thickness of the cell is 12 millimeter. The length of the cell is 103 millimeter. The height of the cell is 75 millimeter, if not included the standard height. The weight of the cell is 0.28 kilograms, so it is very small, tiny cell. This is also the high rate cell. The charge for continue is 30 C rate. The peak is 60 C rate. So it is a very high discharge current lithium-ion cell. And if you make the hybrid battery for your Toyota Prius, you need to buy 68 pieces. Yeah, 68 pieces to make the series to replace it. If you guys want to know more details about it, please contact with us freely, and we will over you the specification and the details quotation. Thank you for you guys visiting our video, and see you next video. Bye.